session, we will learn how to prepare reference list and citations for the document. In Reference tab, we have a group Citations and Bibliography. First, we have to select the option style. Generally, we used styles like APA, MLA, and Chicago styles. Now, I am selecting this style. Next, click on the option Insert Citation and select Add New Source. Now, we have to select type of source like book, book section, etc. Now, I am selecting book. If we select book section, then we can observe that the options are changed. So, I am selecting book. Next, we have to give author name, title, year, city, and publisher. If you want to give more options, then select this option, otherwise deselect it. And finally click on OK button. It will show according to the style which we selected. If the information is not in detailed, then we have to select Add New Placeholder option. Here we have to give placeholder name. Now that information is added here. Next option is Manager Sources. After preparing the document, we can select or deselect these options. For example, I am editing this one. If we want, we can make changes here and click on OK button. Here, we can also deselect the options which we selected. Next one is Bibliography. Here we have options like Bibliography and Work Cited. If we select Bibliography, then it will show like this. Already we have given this one and it is added recently. In same way, if we select Work Cited, then it will show like this. And if we select just Insert Bibliography option, then it will show information without any titles. We can insert footnote and endnote for a document. I am selecting footnote, and here we can see the footnote at the end of the document. Like this, we can place the footnotes. Next option is Insert Caption. This option is used to give caption for the pictures. If we place pictures continuously in our document, for example, I am placing table here. Now, I want to show the name for this table. Then select Insert Caption. Here I am selecting table. If we have another table in next page and we want to show the table name continuously, then select this option. And here it will show table name automatically. So, there is no need to give names for the pictures by ourselves. And if we select Insert Caption, then it will show the picture name automatically.